Today we're going to talk about the patent pending Bolt Energy Be Easy bracket and how it's going to make your install quicker and easier. No need for drilling or measuring.
Bolt Energy USA.
This is the Bolt Energy patent pending Be Easy bracket. This is designed for your Car Precedent for easy installation, no cutting, drilling, to make your life easier and cut off 45 minutes to your install. Put the bracket in, and we're going to take our support bracket and our hook. Put the hook through the bracket. Put your flat washer and lock washer. Get a 17 millimeter on a socket. Hold the bracket in place. Just snug it down so you can move it. Set the bracket where you like it. You can move it all the way to this side or this side. Now you take your battery, set it on the back two battery bolts, and you're all done.
Bolt Energy USA.